Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be microwaving this super protein shot. Should really beef up this microwave nice and big. Now you saw what one of those little 5-hour energies did, right? Well, this is the same design, same kind of bottle, only it's twice as big. This should really make for an awesome show inside of Lindsay the microwave. Now, microwave this. I'll click this here for maximum microwave concentration. Set this in. Set it to 5 minutes. Oh, there it is. Oh, protein smoke. Don't breathe this. Ugh. Smells vaguely of burnt sauerkraut for some reason. The inside of the microwave is filled with this weird jelly. Although it wasn't as epic as I was hoping it would be, it at least did blow up, unlike the coffee drink. This was definitely a post-product. I had to remove the precision spatula. Now, look at how smoky the inside of that microwave is. I was expecting a lot better, so I'm disappointed. I don't get it. Items that I think aren't going to do anything turn out to be really cool, and things I expect will really bring an epic result, I look afterwards and I think, why didn't this blow the fuck up? Or if it did blow up, why didn't it blow the door open? But at least it kinda did something, and I imagine visibility was horrid. So, I apologize for that, but anyways, microwaving a protein drink like this, I'm going to have to say, looking at that and that, this is a pretty bad idea. I mean, these things are supposed to help you recover from after weightlifting, and this ain't gonna do a thing for you.